Okay, hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are going to continue with our classes. Yeah, the topic is gonna be about how to prepare a guacamole. But today we are going to make a new topic too. We are going to talk about going to and will. This is for future. For example, when you are going to talk about future, you have to use going to and will. But first of all, we are going to continue with this recipe. How to prepare a guacamole. First, we are going to read the ingredients. 1 tomato, a half a red onion, 3 avocados, 1 lime or a lemon, 1 fresh green chili peppers, tablespoon and cilantro. The process. First, chop the tomato, onion, chili peppers and cilantro. Then scoop out the flesh of the avocados and mash it with a fork. Next, squeeze the lime and mix the juice with the avocado. And finally, combine all the ingredients, mix well and season with a salt to taste. Remember, don't forget to practice the vocabulary. Here you have the vocabulary process to make a recipe. Here you have chop, scoop out, squeeze, mix, mash, mash, combine, remember the flesh. So remember you have to practice the vocabulary and it's a good idea to learn how to make a guacamole when you are in home. Thank you very much. Remember to study the vocabulary food. As they say here, mix, chop, boil, grill, fry. All of these vocabulary are important because you are going to have the test on the platform Cambridge and you have to practice. Okay, thank you. So we are going to start with our classes. What do you like to do on your vacation? What do you like to do? ¿Qué te gustaría hacer en tus vacaciones? Bueno, vamos a hablar un poquito acerca de los planes futuros que nosotros tenemos, ¿ok? Planes futuros. Para hablar de en futuro nosotros necesitamos going to and will, que ya les voy a presentar la gramática. First, you have here a questions and some options that you can choose. Usted puede escoger, for example, take a fun trip with your friends. Discover something new. So maybe you are going to attend to a concert. Stay at home and share time with your friends, with your family or relatives. Enjoy nature. It depends what you want to do. Yeah, you have some selections here. Visit a foreign country, travel in my own country, go to a music festival, take a photography course, hang out with friends, host and family reunion, go camping and relax at the beach, go camping and relax at the beach. Yeah, here you have some choices that you can use. For example, in my next vacation, I'm going to go to a musical festival with my friends. I'm going to hang out with friends. I'm going to go camping and visit a foreign country. Maybe I'm gonna go to Brazil. Yeah, remember. Then you are going to stop the video and practice pronunciation because it's very important the reading. Practice pronunciation. Here you have two persons talking each other. I'm so excited. We have 2 weeks off. What are you going to do? I'm not sure. I guess I just stay home. Maybe I hang out with some friends and watch my favorite series. What about you? Any plans? Yeah, I'm going to relax at the beach with my cousin. We are going to go surfing every day, and my cousin likes to snorkel. So maybe we'll go snorkeling one day. Sounds like fun. Hey, why don't you come with us? Don't you meet it? I love to. I bring my surfboard. That's great. The more the merrier. The more the merrier. Ok, entonces, practice this pronunciation at home, please remember. Miren, aquí tenemos algunas oraciones en futuro, continuous. utilizamos el going to. Como les dije, ya les voy a explicar abajo un poquito la gramática y también debemos concentrarnos sobre el video de la pareja británica. Es muy buena explicación donde tenemos ahí una gramática concisa, precisa, ¿ok? Remember, practice this. Okay, and this is about the grammar, about the video. When you have to use will and when you are going to use going to. Going to, que también podemos decir gonna. Podemos decir gonna, para no decir going to, you can say gonna. ¿Cuándo lo utilizamos? When you are going to use, ¿cuándo? Will, spontaneous decisions, una decisión espontánea, inmediata. Ese momento va usted, digamos, está cenando y va a pagar la cuenta. Entonces dice, I will pay, sorry, I will pay for the dinner. I'm bored, I think I go for a walk. Don't worry, I pay for this meeting. Don't worry, I pay for this. So, in some cases, we are going to use will for promise. For promise. For promesas. Promise, I promise, I do the washing up later. I promise I do the washing up later. I promise I won't eat your biscuits. Just biscuits. I'm going to, this weekend, I'm going to go to the cinema. Ok. Predictions. Lo bueno es que will y going to lo podemos utilizar ambos para hablar de predicciones. Algo que usted cree que pasará o que va a pasar o que va a hacer. Predictions, remember. Y mientras que going to, en cambio, siempre lo vamos a utilizar for plans. ¿Ya? It's only for plans. What are you going to do this weekend? I'm going to go to a concert. Como les había dicho, podemos omitir el going to y podemos utilizar I'm gonna. I'm gonna go to a concert. I'm gonna go to visit my mother. I'm gonna go to take some pictures around the park. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna work. I'm gonna study. Remember this one. Predictions. I think it's going to rain this weekend. Yeah, remember this sample. Or I think it will be rain. It will be rain. Remember. Yeah. So try to practice when you have to use will and when you are going to use going to. This is the activity that you have to know. Okay, now I'm going to create a slide to explain you the present, the future. So we are going to write here future will and going to, yeah, future and going to. Remember, so maybe you are going to use, we are going to talk about plans. You are going to use going to. Les quiero comentar que este es un verbo, que esto es una expresión muy usada. Realmente la utilizamos siempre para hablar, incluso cuando usted tiene una presentación, tiene un proyecto, usted dice I'm going to, I'm. Primeramente, el futuro going to trabaja con el verbo to be, sin importar cuál sea este el pronombre. She is going to. She is going to. O I'm going to. ¿Ya? Entonces, vamos a hablar de nosotros. I'm going to go. Miren, esto es lo bonito, es lo que quiero que sepan ustedes. I'm going to go. El going to, en definitiva, significa voy a, ¿ok? Entonces, también puede utilizar contractions. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to the concert. Yeah, I'm gonna go. It's better. When you are talking with contractions, you sounds like a better student, a higher level. Yeah, it's better because the teachers or person always are talking with contractions. Siempre hablan con contracciones. That is, I'm gonna go to the concert. Yeah, I'm going to go. Remember, lo bonito del going to es que se conecta con todos los verbos en su forma base. I'm going to play. I'm going to eat. I'm going to visit. I'm going to find. I'm going to look. I'm going to watch a movie. Yeah? Okay? Watch a movie. Remember, I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going. Yeah, perfect. It's correct. I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to visit my mother. My mother. I'm going to visit my mother. ¿Ok? Listo. Entonces, realmente el going to es demasiado usable. Lo utilizamos muchísimo. Así que necesito que lo memoricemos más que el will. Más. Mucho más que el will. ¿Ok? El going to lo utilizamos. Usted tiene una presentación. ¿Ok? Va a presentarse con su teacher. Dice, oh, hello teacher. Good evening. I'm going to talk about... Ah, miren, I'm going to talk about eso. Para eso nos sirve el going to. Futures. Usted sabe que va a ser algo, está seguro que va a pasar. Entonces dice, I'm going to travel tomorrow. I'm going to travel tomorrow. Yeah? Remember, so maybe you are going to say here, use. Oh, I'm gonna. Yeah? Perfect. When you are going to use here, will. Will, you are going to say here la terminación E o A. Terminación E o terminación A. ¿Qué nos quiere decir? Por ejemplo, yo digo, I will be a good doctor. I will be a good doctor. I will be. El teacher me dijo que es una terminación E junto al verbo. Una terminación E o una terminación A. Una terminación A. ¿Ah? ¿Qué quiere decir con esto, mi teacher? What does it mean? I will be a good doctor. Entonces, la combinación del will más el verbo suena seré, estaré, ajá, o estará, o estarán, seré, ¿ok? Es un futuro más lejano, por eso mi recomendación es que utilicemos mucho más el will. No pido que lo memoricemos de la noche a la mañana porque no lo vamos a poder hacer, pero que nos familiaricemos con el mismo, ¿ok? Trabaja un poquito más de lógica cuando utilizamos will, cuando utilizamos going to, okay? Remember this. For example, if a question is gonna be here, what will you do? What will you do? What will you do in 2 years? Por ejemplo, cuando usted ya se gradúe de su carrera, cuando usted ya se gradúe, what will you do in 2 years? Or what will you do when you finish your career? Entonces usted tiene así puede hablar de predicciones o promesas, puede decir, I will be in United States. I will take a new professional degree. I will study, estudiaré, qué sé yo, otra carrera. Por ejemplo, usted pertenece a talento humano y usted quiere seguir diseño gráfico. I will sign up in a graphic designer. Yeah, this is when you are going to use will. What happened with the case of going to? What are going to do? What are going to do? What are you going to do this night, for example? Miren, es un futuro más cercano, una acción más rápida. What are you going to do this night? ¿Qué va a hacer? Una planificación que usted tiene. I'm going to go to the cinema with my girlfriend. I'm going to go to the cinema with my girlfriend. ¿Ya? Y así hablamos. Después podemos repetirlo. And I'm going to walk around the city. Miren, podemos repetirlo después. Esta es una idea para que usted maneje bien el going to, ¿ok? Muy bien. Entonces, con esta idea, nosotros creo que podemos llenar esta actividad que les puse a ustedes para que podamos trabajarla, ¿ok? Creo que sí, podemos llenarla. Trabajen viendo el video también anterior que yo les mandé. Yes. Una vez que esté visto el video, me comparten. Y vamos a contestar las siguientes preguntas. Here you are going to ask the following questions. How are you going to spend your next vacations? Where are you going to go? Ajá, todas estas de aquí las trabajamos en el cuadernito y me envían por WhatsApp. Me la envían por WhatsApp. ¿Estamos? No more thanks, students. Thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon.